Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everyone! Hi! Welcome to Kanji time! Let's review N4 Kanji today. If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. Check it out! This kanji means low. The on reading for this kanji is tei, as in 最低, meaning worst, minimum. 信じられない, 最低. Oh my god! The kun reading for this kanji is 引く, as in 低い, meaning low. 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 Dwell. Reside. Live. Inhabit. On reading for this kanji is 住, as in 住所, meaning address, postcode, address. Kun reading for this kanji is す, as in 住む, meaning to live. Body, substance, object, counter for machines. The on reading for this kanji is 体, 体, as in 体育館, gymnasium. 正しい名前は体育館ですけど、普通に喋るときは体育館ってショートにして言います。体育館、体育館、体育館。お、次の授業バレエだよ。体育館行こう。体育館行こう。あ、体育館シューズ忘れた。じゃあ先体育館行ってるね。Kun reading for this kanji is 体 meaning body 体 Make, production, prepare, counter for arts. On reading for this kanji is 咲く さ as in 動作 meaning action. Kun reading for this kanji is つく as in 手作り meaning handmade. 手作り Use. On reading for this kanji is し as in 使用 meaning usage. あ、トイレ行きたい。トイレ行きたい。ピカーン。使用中。使用中 meaning occupied. Oh my god! 早く、早く。Kun reading for this kanji is 使 as in 使う meaning to use. マイクを使う。Hi! マンマママン、ガガウララ、ガガウララ、使う。Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 体低い使用手作り住む Now say the meaning of the following words. 住所 address 動作 action 最低 worst minimum 使う to use 体育館 gymnasium Thank you for watching! じゃあこれから体育館行ってきます体育館にドッジボールしに行こうイエーイフーフー信じられない最低あ、ちょっとこっちの方がうまく叩かない。Body, substance, object, counter for mechanics.
Machines.
あーすごいスモールキャパシティ